Morning, I want to put us through on how to mine Wave Wallet. Okay, so now when you have the link, you join and you start. You see something like start mining Ocean, right? You open it, loading, loading, loading. So you allow it to load a while, and then after that, you're going to see something like this. You're going to see the interface exactly like this. Okay, so here up here where you see account one, you see copy success. That is where you can copy your wallet if you want to buy SUI, in order for you to be able to mine and accumulate points here. Or here, this place, you see here, look at it now. This is your address. You copy this. This is what you're going to send to whoever that you want to, whoever you want him or her to buy for you. The person that you want to buy for you, this is what you're going to send to that person. Or if you want to buy by yourself, you can buy from OKS and all of that. And I think you can as well buy on Binance. I can't figure out, but I know I've bought on OKS before. So you're now going to copy this and send to that person, or send to your, this is what you're going to use in your OKS wallet when you buy SUI, and send to this wallet. Then to reflect in your dashboard here, $1 worth of SUI. It will appear here. So when you have that done, you open this three dotted line here, this line here. Sorry. You click on this claim now. This is what I'm looking for. This claim now. I'm going to claim. You see this place that's written here. It will claim. You click on it, you're going to claim. But right now I'm mining, so I cannot claim. Now I've claimed earlier, so I have about 1 hour 31 minutes to go to claim. So that being said, you can level up. This is your level up. You see, you need 20 SUI, 20 wave ocean, 20 ocean to level up. So once you level up, what you're going to see, if you are at level 1, you claim every 3 hours, but you are going to use 20 ocean to do that. Okay, now to level up, you can see aquacat 0.5 per hour. You click on this place. For you to level up here also, you require 20 ocean to get that done, but I'm not leveling up now. Then here under mission, you have to complete all this mission. Complete these missions that you are seeing here, all of them. Complete them. You join the Wave Discord, follow Wave on X, and then join Wave Wallet. Okay, so if you are done with that, you go to friends. If you want to share with your friends, you can see these are the few friends that I've invited so far to this platform. Okay, then you see port here, more apps coming. Nothing is really here right now. So when you get that done, you can use $1 to level up here. I've leveled up before, so now I am expected to use 20 ocean to 20 SUI, okay, to level up, but I'm not doing that right now. So that's just it for now. Thank you. If you don't understand anything here, don't forget to ask question. Then drop your comment, share this video to get to other people who don't understand how to get this done. Share to other community, let them know, because it's a win-win for us here in the crypto space. You must win, I must win.